Welcome back for another Vechain price prediction analysis, and at the time of this recording, Vechain continues to hold below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, and zooming out on the charts to give you my Elliot wave analysis here on the Vechain chart, you can easily see that after seeing our bear market low at around the $0.01331 mark, we saw that massive bounce to the upper side where we picked in a 5-wave structure to the upside in a move that gave us a high above the $0.021 mark, in a move that also completed the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 1. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, we started a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2 into the minimum retracement area for the second wave, highlighted on the charts using this blue target area, which is an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum target area for the second wave between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.78, which is an area that you can now see that we have fully maximized. We have been seeing no rises in this ABC corrective structure into the target area, and there are high chances that we now have a low in place for the second wave, and whatever we are seeing at the time of this recording is the start of an impulse to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, which is what we expect after seeing the formation of that wave 2. And because of the impulsiveness in the formation of this wave 3, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation within the formation of that wave 3, having the wave 5 giving us the high for that third wave to the upper side. And here on the charts, you can see that I'm terming this as the formation of that wave 1. And whatever we are seeing at the time of this recording is a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2. And the target areas for the second wave, I came up with them by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of that first wave down there to that high for that wave 1, giving me a minimum retracement area between the second, that is the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618. And you can see that we have seen a bit of a brief pullback into the target area. We are also seeing a bit of a reaction to that, and there are chances that we have a low for the second wave, and maybe in the next coming hours we can continue gearing up and get another bounce in the formation of that wave 3. And as long as we continue holding below the 20-day MA and also below our key area of resistance at around the $0.01798 mark, there are high chances that we don't have a low in place for the second wave, and in the next coming hours we can get another pullback back into this blue target area and get one more new low for the second wave before we can see a reaction and start gearing up impulsively in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on the short term here on the Vechain chart, and jumping to the daily chart to also give you my long-term Elliott wave analysis. If I zoom out here on the charts, you can see that Vechain gave us a low back in 2020 before we saw the bull market in a move that gave us the all-time highs at around the $0.28 mark, completing the formation of this larger Elliott wave count 1. And after getting the high for that first wave, we started a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2, where there are high chances that we now have a low in place for the second wave, and in the next coming weeks or maybe months we can continue gearing up impulsively in the formation of this wave 3 before we can expect a wave 4, then a wave 5 to the upper side. And these are the movements that I'm expecting to play out in the bull market here on the Vechain chart. So that's all for this video, and I hope that video was of much help to you, and if it was, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership